The big city park is full of wild monsters and secrets today, Sophie. I am the official captain of this park exploration team, Lucas.
If you get hungry, eat these clean strawberries from our fridge.
I can see the giant playground slides from the car window.
Stay where I can see your bright shirts, children. Do not wander off.
Look at that giant yellow butterfly flying near the wild bushes. Lucas, come out of there right now. It is too dirty. Wow. These purple berries look like small, shiny crystal candies. Do not touch those. They are dirty, wild berries, and they are dangerous. But Sophie, they look very sweet, and they smell like purple juice. Wild berries make your tummy explode with bad worms. Let us go.
Come drink some cold water, kids. The sun is very hot.
I am going to get the biggest ice cube from the cooler. Sophie is busy with Mom, so I can try just one tiny berry. They taste like sour grapes and wild mud combined. The giant bird knows my secret berry crime. I must run.
Why are your lips looking so dark and purple suddenly, Lucas?
I was just biting my pen. My plastic blue marker, Mom.
Wipe your hands clean before we go to the big playground.
I am the king of the playground mountain. Watch me slide. Oh no! My tummy is making a very loud monster noise. It feels like a small football is bouncing inside my ribs. Mom? Look at Lucas! His face looks like a green lime.
Lucas, climb down slowly into my arms right now, baby.
My tummy hurts so terribly. It is twisting around. Open your mouth. I knew it. Your whole tongue is dark purple.
Lucas, did you eat those dirty wild berries from the woods?
Yes. I ate 5 shiny purple berries because they looked sweet. I told you those berries are full of bad poison mud, Lucas. The berry monster is waking up inside my body, Mommy. Move aside, please. My little brother ate poison park food. The ground is spinning around. I feel very dizzy, Mom.
Hold this blue plastic bucket tight if your tummy feels sick.
Stay brave, Lucas. Do not let the berry monster win.
Oh no. The car battery is completely dead. It will not start. Everything is going wrong during this emergency today.
Look, an ambulance with flashing red lights is parked near the fountain.
Help! Help! Over here! My small son needs an emergency doctor!
Do not worry, Mom. Paramedic Sam is on the scene to save the day. Whoa, buddy. You look like a real little alien creature today. Let us jump inside my spaceship ambulance for a quick fix.
Are you gonna use a giant needle on my tummy, Sam?
No needles today, buddy. Just some special magic volcanic water. This black medicine will capture all the dirty berry poison inside.
Ew. That looks like real dark mud from the garden puddle. Drink it now, Lucas, because you did not listen to my warning. Yuck! That tastes like old burnt toast and salty water.
Drink this sweet juice to wash the bad toast taste away, Captain.
Your green skin is turning back to normal pink color, look.
What do those bouncing green lines mean on the television, Sam?
That means Lucas's heart is strong, and the berry monster is losing.
My tummy feels so much lighter now.
That was a giant thunder blast from a small boy.
Thank you for saving my silly boy from his berry emergency, sir.
The emergency is officially over. Time to return to the park, son.
Look at my shiny badge. I am a brave survivor now, Sophie.
The tow man will fix our battery while we rest on grass.
Do you want to visit the purple berry bush again, Lucas? No. I never want to see a purple berry for the rest of my life.
These strawberries are safe because they were cleaned with fresh water.
No wild bugs or purple monster mud on this one, Mom. This is sweet, and my tummy is perfectly silent now. Listening to your older sister is the best safety rule, little brother. Goodbye, Mr. Crow. My green tummy is completely gone.
The car battery is charged up. Let us go back home now, kids.
I am going to put my helper sticker on my bedroom wall. The park was an exciting adventure, but the black medicine was crazy. Look at this picture of you looking like a green space alien, Lucas. I look like a real swamp monster in that photo, Mom.
I am happy that my two explorers are safe and healthy today.
My favorite toy cars are waiting for me on the rug. I am drawing a large warning sign for the city park bushes, Mom.
What are you writing on your warning sign paper, Lucas?
It says, "Danger! Do not eat the wild berries or your body turns green."
Oh, Paramedic Sam. What are you doing at our house today?
I brought a special delivery for the green alien survivor boy.
Wow. These chocolate cookies look exactly like black charcoal medicine. This charcoal cookie is delicious, and my tummy is happy. This is the best kind of medicine in the whole world, Sam.
Stay safe, Captain Lucas, and keep your tongue pink from now on.
Officer Lucas will only eat clean kitchen fruits. Over and out. The ambulance siren sounds nice when it is just saying goodbye. Vroom! The spaceship ambulance is rushing to save a toy dinosaur. The dinosaur ate the dangerous park weeds. He needs emergency help. Give him the chocolate cookie medicine quickly, Nurse Sophie.
They turned a scary emergency into a beautiful and fun game.
My tummy is completely silent like a sleeping mouse, Mom.
Eat this good soup to keep your stomach warm all night.
Thank you for watching over me at the park yesterday, Sophie. That is what big sisters are for, Lucas, to protect you from mistakes. The paper looks very nice next to my new toy ambulance truck. My tummy taught me that listening to my family is the sweetest rule of all.